Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rupa and you're watching Sassy Vintage.
Hi guys, how you all doing? Hope you're doing great and welcome back to our channel
Sassy Vintage. So today we are heading towards a firing range and
That is located in JP Nagar.
Yes, it's located in JP Nagar and this is episode 4 of Bengaluru Tales and we are happy that we are moving ahead. So without any further ado, let's get started. We reached finally and we already booked an appointment for 5:30 6 o'clock and let's see what happens next. Let's go.
There we go, Golden Nest shooting, shooting, shooting.
So when we went inside, we got to know that we were in the waiting list. So why we went outside and we were also so hungry. So we went out to eat something.
Hot momos.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, go by
End of flashback.
So after a quick break, we had momos and pastries. So now we are back. This is the Shooting Ace Academy, and we're going inside. Don't know how and when is our turn. Let's see. I'm so excited. So yes, finally we reached and we are about to go and fire. So stay tuned.
There you go to hit the bullseye. Oh, man. Woohoo, and this. So yeah guys, we are done with the firing. It's been 4 years that we
Grishu's
fired.
firing.
I think in the year 2017 and now in 2021. And the experience is awesome, really amazing. You know,
We are so happy and
I was so excited.
we just cherished all our memories in NCC and all those things. We are so glad
Yeah.
coming here and it's been a wonderful experience. I'll be giving you the link for this in the description box. Please do check. And if you are interested, even you too can visit this place. It's an amazing
And try out
experience.
firing and it's really amazing guys. Really amazing.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
awesome.
experience. We really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
So we'll go
Okay
have
then.
something.
Okay.
We'll have something.
Yes.
Meet you soon.
Bye. So meanwhile we are thinking where to go to eat.
We'll go to Barbecue Nation.
We'll go to bar.
Barbecue Nation.
Okay, Barbecue Nation.
Barbecue
No,
Nation.
no.
Then where we'll go?
Rupa the ghost rider. Woohoo, back to her. And there is Namdharis.
Ayo, we would have parked here only. But still we should take U-turn. It's okay.
Yeah. Mm.
We finally got our order.
Pizza with extra
And-
cheese.
Paneer pulao with peas. So this is what we ordered, and we had a very good time. So firing, it's been some 4 years since we fired, and this is a different experience, no? Like it's very different compared to our day-to-day routine.
And we hit most of the bullets into the bullseye.
Yeah, so this was just because we were already trained up, so that is why today we were able to hit up. If we didn't have that training, then we would have not definitely done it so
Yes.
properly. At least some 80% we have done it.
Yeah. We never thought it will hit the bull aside.
We were so
So nice.
scared because of that new thing. Like it's like a new thing, right? We already forgot what all we have done in our NCC, so we were so tensed. What will happen? How we'll be doing it? But 80% we have done proper, and we are so happy.
and that is
And
why.
yeah, we did a lot of firing in NCC.
Yeah.
During the camp.
But Grishu did too much since we
RDC.
did her RDC and all. I was not that good at firing before when I was in
But still,
NCC.
you did great today.
Oh, all
Yeah.
went out of bull.
No. Only four. Only four.
So
Others all were in bullseye.
actually in TSC we used to have what is this firing sessions, but before IGC, pre-IGC I guess for some other district, I got eliminated. What is that?
Rejected.
I got rejected. So after that, but Grishu for RDC from starting till end, she went to Delhi as well. So that is why she is
But in Delhi, I didn't fire.
pro in firing, and that is what you can see in
No.
that sheets. No, it was like fully inside the bull only. It was the focus was. So
I didn't
that's
fire
the
in Delhi. Yeah.
greatest thing. So we can tell, and now we are treating ourselves because we
Nobody
did
else
good.
will treat us. So first, we have to treat ourselves. That's all.
So we love ourselves so much that every small thing we celebrate. So now we are celebrating our success. So
So
after
can we
this,
have?
yeah. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you do like, you know what to do.
Like, share, and subscribe Sassy Vintage.
So we will be meeting in the next video of Bengaluru Tales. Until then, bye bye.